What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Check out how much snow we got the last couple of days. We got like 3 to 4 feet, snowed so much. And look who's back guys, Marco! Oh fuck.
Chill.
We also got Diego guys.
Alright, left me hanging.
Oh my bad, man.
Ready or chat?
Alright.
Just seeing Marco do that, it hurts not being able to drive my car in this, but they're garage queens now, huh Diego?
They are.
Dude, the snow tires actually make a fat difference, huh?
Yeah.
In the whole time, dude.
No, you should have seen me earlier. I tried to go like fast right here.
We're gonna head out now. You guys know that when we bring Diego's little Nissan Frontier, good things are gonna happen, so we'll explain a little more once we get on the road. Dude guys, look at all that snow. This was mostly all just yesterday, but ready or what? Hey, come up front so you have more space. I'll go back to Marco. What's up? It's cold as fuck. Sound just like them. They say it's over. Damn all these beautiful girls.
We gotta harmonize like.
Suicidal when they say it's over.
Wow, you know, you next or what?
What the fuck? Why are you wearing the pipe boots?
That's a sick jacket.
Why are you wearing the pipe boots? Ooh, we're here, Diego. Are you ready?
I'm ready, bro. I'm ready, dude.
You're not hyped.
I'm ready, dude. I'm hyped.
Oh, there it is. This is the moment that you guys have all been waiting for. Something that you have asked for such a long time. Today's the day. Diego, tell them what we're doing.
We're picking up my 6-speed. We're in Reno.
So we're gonna try and get the 6-speed in the Frontier. We're gonna go inside, check in, and see where it's at.
Back from LA, Ongo was hella fast though, and you just see his head like dangling.
We got all the paperwork. Now we're gonna drive around the backside and actually pick up the 6-speed now. We actually got in trouble for recording, so we're gonna go in, pick it up, and then we'll show you guys afterwards. It's gonna be exciting.
All right guys, today is a very special day. So special, I brought out the Tims today. So did Marco. All right, you know, without further ado.
Dude, the 6-speed came in.
The 6-speed is loaded up into the back. Diego has waited so long. I know you guys have waited so long, and it's finally right there, guys. Damn.
Dude, it actually fit good too.
It barely fit.
Now we just gotta make it. Now we just gotta make it home, dude.
Tied it up. Hopefully that holds. I think it'll hold.
Yeah, hopefully that holds as it's super loose, but
the 6-speed is loaded up in the truck. We're gonna go eat, and then we'll head back to Diego's house and give you guys all the information that you probably want to know on this 6-speed.
We're buying some straps, you know, keep it secure. With these bad boys, the train is going nowhere.
That's what we need, bro.
Use it, bro. You could have a little one. We could buy the little one.
But like,
job done.
Yeah, it could.
A big one could disappoint.
True.
So.
It's fucking heavy. Just gonna go.
Oh. Fuck.
This is fucking heavy duty, bro.
This heavy duty versus real shit.
So you guys know we had to be a little safe at least, so we got this toe strap and now it's super tight on there. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day. It got dark by the time we got home yesterday, and we actually wanted to show you guys the 6-speed and everything that came with it in the daylight, so we waited till today. Honguito's here today. Hello.
Hello. Kyobo.
Start unboxing everything. Be easier to lift out of the truck than to lift the 2 crates.
Sway bar, drive shaft.
So like we said, first stop we got the drive shaft, and then we got the sway bar. Underneath this we have all the rotors, Brembos.
It's gonna go with the Meisters.
Oh look, they're right over there. So you got the H bracket, control arms, hubs, knuckles, Brembos, sway bar, drive. Dude, it's all here.
That's crazy. Now I want to get to the
Transmission.
Guys,
these Meisters are now a little bit closer to finally going on Diego's Bugeye.
like that, bro.
Summertime, Diego, summertime.
See, that's it's gonna be crazy.
So in the second crate we got the diff and then the 6-speed, which is gonna be super heavy. But alright guys, time to get the 6-speed out of the truck.
We should put the pallet there, no? Lay down. You got the 2 strongest guys.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that was sick.
Hell yeah.
That was heavy. This is actually a version 9 JDM transmission that came off of an 06 STI. And then right here, we got the clutch. And I'm actually not going to be using that clutch. I'm going to be upgrading to an ACT clutch that Danny and Ruben are currently running. Right here we have the Brembos, the brakes, and then we have the hubs. Both sides, we got the control arms right over here. And then it came...
The shifter linkage.
Yep, the shifter linkage right here. And then...
This is actually the H bracket that goes underneath the transmission.
Up next on the list, we got the ladder links here.
Axles.
And if you guys notice, these guys are all males.
So male axles.
So all 4 of them have like the little, how would I say
the
this?
wiener sticking out on both ends.
All together, we got the drive shaft, which then connects over to the
diff,
the rear diff.
which is a R180 diff,
R180,
right?
yeah.
Have the sway bar in the rear here. Are you gonna get a new one or keep this?
I don't know. Do you think that one would be good? That's what I was wondering about too. That's actually what I was gonna ask you right now. On the back.
We didn't tell you guys this, but we're actually gonna test out the 6-speed today. So hop in.
You want chocolate?
Yeah, I'll get the back seat, bro.
Yeah, same.
The back seat.
Who's gonna?
Who's driving?
You drive.
No, you drive. Go, go.
Diego's here, 6
It's your 6-speed,
Oh,
bro.
you drive.
Fine.
Ready, boys?
You ready?
See the moment of truth.
You guys know that big old problem that I've been having with my STI after I did the hub swap. So this is what I'm gonna end up having to do, is delete or get rid of the stubs that come out of my transmission and convert it into like a female part here, and then get male axles. So now that the 6-speed is finally here, guys, after such a long wait, you're probably wondering what's next before we actually throw this into the Bugeye.
Just gonna be the coils and then the new clutch, and then it should be ready to go on. Fortune Autos, they should be taking. It should take like a month to get built, and then they come in, and then that should be ready to go.
So guys, in like 2 months max, you'll be seeing a 6-speed in Diego's Bugeye. Hopefully you guys are excited to throw the 6-speed into the Bugeye. I know it's going to be a couple of months though, but it's going to come very quick. For those who haven't kept up with Diego's Bugeye, we are going to be doing the 6-speed ourselves. So we're going to have the help of Ruben and Javi again. It's going to be cool seeing this car transform from what it is right now to having a 6-speed, the flares, the Meisters, everything on it. It's going to be a completely different car.